In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil on this Buick Encore. Let's get into it. Right above the transmission on the driver's side, you can see where the oil filter housing is right here. Use a 24mm socket. Loosen this up. Loosen that up. Just let that drain for a second. And you can pull the cap off. And grab the filter. Twist that out. And pull it out. Take the new filter. Slide that in place. Take the cap. You want to remove the O-ring. Just use a pick. Oops. Take the new O-ring. Just go over the cap. Then you want to take a little fresh engine oil and just lubricate the seal. And now put the cap over the filter. Get that started. And torque this to 18 foot-pounds. That's good. You can use a rag and wipe up any residual. With the vehicle raised and supported, you can see where the drain plug is right here on the oil pan. You're going to use a 10mm socket. Loosen that up. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath to catch the oil. And drain the oil. Take the drain plug, just use a pick. Get underneath the seal, pull the seal off, take a new seal, put that on the drain plug. With all the oil drained out, you can reinsert it. Now we're going to torque the drain plug to 10 foot-pounds. And just wipe any excess with a rag. Now you want to take the fill cap off. Use a funnel. On the fill cap it says what type of oil to use. We're going to use 5W30 and you want to use a synthetic oil. It's going to take 4.2 quarts of oil. Using a rag, pull the funnel out and put the cap back on. Now we're going to start the car and let it run for about 10 seconds. After you let the vehicle sit for about a minute and making sure you're on a level surface, we'll check the oil level. Pull the dipstick out. Wipe it off with a rag. Reinsert the dipstick. Wait about 4 seconds. Pull it out again. And you can check the level. You want to make sure the oil level is in between these hash marks, which it is. If not, you can adjust accordingly. Reinsert the dipstick. Now we're going to reset the oil reminder light after changing the oil. Now you want to turn the key to the on position with the key in the vehicle without stepping on the brake You want to push and hold down the stop button until all the lights light up, just like that. I'm going to hit OK. On the side here, on the menu, you're going to get to here, and then we want to scroll down till we get to oil remaining life, and then we're going to click on the side, hold it down, and it goes to 100%. And you can go back to normal.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.